Hello students, once again welcome you all in online class where I Neetu Srivastava going to discuss with you lesson 1 stone soup copy work. Children, while you doing copy work, few instruction I will show you and you have to follow it carefully. So let's start copy work. As I told you about the instruction number 1, copy should be covered. Second number, paging should be completed properly. Third number, use pointed pencil. Fourth number, use good quality of pencil, razor and sharpener. Children, before starting, I will show you which type of copy you will select for English 1. See children, inside the copy you have to see both the side, 4 lines should be given there. And this way children you should cover it properly and label it. Back side also cover, this way children copy will save. Name, as I have written the child name, Sanskriti Shrivastava. Standard means class 2, division means section F, and roll number as I will show. Subject English 1, and the name of the school is Divine Public School. Children, let's start inside the work. In first page I have written English 1 and upside right corner I have written page number 1. This way children you have to continue page number 2, then 3, then 4. See properly. 5, 6, 7. This way you have to complete till the last page. See here? Yes, this way. Now start lesson number 1. Page 1 and 2 you will not do anything. You will start copy work from 3 and start with the headline. Here you see first 2 rows I have used for the headline. First row horizontal line, second row horizontal line, and left side of the line you are seeing one margin is given there, and left side in the corner margin where I have drawn one standing line using double rows and written spelling of date in number and word also. See carefully children, you have to write this way. Then right side I have drawn one standing line. Then I have written lesson number. Children, LESSON. While you writing lesson number, L should be capital. Downside under it I have written the chapter name, the stone soup. Here THE, the T will be capital here, stone, STONE, S will be capital, soup, 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 S will capital, and this chapter will write between the inverted comma. Then leave one line. Then start with difficult words. See children, I have written few difficult words from the book 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I have drawn one standing line. Then heading I have written difficult words. Children, while you write in difficult word, difficult D will be capital and words W will be capital. And each word will take 2 rows. See properly. When you come at fourth number, here see only one row. Then rest part I will continue on page number 4. See here properly. Then word 5. Taste. Let's start difficult word. First word is written farmer, FARMER. This way you have to continue it 4 words like this. Then second word village, VILLAGE. This way I have continued with the 4 word. Third number entire, ENTIRE, entire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times you have to write. Then fourth word knock. I have written 2 times because place is not there. That I have continued with the page number 4. Knock I have written 3 and 4 part. 5 number taste, TASTE. Spelling I have repeated 4 times. Then after that you will leave 2 line. Then continue with the word meaning. Word and meaning. Writing you will draw a standing line, and here you will count 6 line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This way children, this word meaning will not come in the same page that I have continued with the page number 5. Children, here seeing I have written rest of the part 4, 5 and 1, 6, 2. This way I have drawn one standing line. Let's start with the word meaning. First word harvest. HERVEST. Harvest means crops. CROPS, crops. Then leave one line. Then start with the second word enough. NOUGH means sufficient. SUFFICIENT. Children, very carefully you will see. Then again leave one line. This way the copy will look neat and clean. Third word huge. Big. BIG, big. This word meaning will continue on the 5th page. 4. Stir. Stir means to move liquid things round and round. Children, if one word meaning will not come in one line, then you will use second line. And again you will leave one line, then go with the fifth word pour. Pour, P-O-U-R, pour means to put something into the water. This way children you will complete word meaning. Then you leave one line, then again go with the third heading, question answer. Write the spelling of question answer, then leave one line and begin with the question number 1. How many travelers came to the village? When you write according to the grammar rule, question sentence will end with the question mark. Then continued on the page number 6, answer number 1. The 3 travelers came to the village. This sentence will end with the full stop. Again you will leave one line and go with the question number 2. What did they prepare for their food? As you seen in question number 1, I have put question mark here. Then answer, they prepared stone soup for their food. And this answer will again ends with the full stop. Then again leave one line, then start question number 3. What message do we get from the lesson stone soup? Stone soup, both word S will be capital and we will write in inverted comma and ends with the full stop. Answer is continued in page number 7. We get message from the lesson stone soup. S will be capital and inverted comma. Be patient in a difficult situation. This way children question answer will complete and the last question put full stop. Here I have given homework and the part is frame sentences. It is very easy part. If you know the meaning of the following words, you will make sentence in your own language easily. See page number 8, this continued with the word 3. First word farmer, then you will leave 3 lines, then continue with the 4 line with the word soup. Then again you will leave 3 lines and this way you will write third word. Children, I hope you understood the whole copywork properly. So children, complete your copywork properly and whatever instruction I have told you, you do it according to it and submit your assignment or homework on the student given link. Till then children, bye bye.